Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato. First, gather your high-quality ingredients like whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and any flavorings you desire. Precision is key, so measure everything carefully. Having a reliable ice cream maker is also essential for achieving that perfect, smooth consistency. Let's get started on creating a delicious frozen treat right in your own kitchen. Next, we'll prepare the gelato base. Combine your milk, cream, and sugar in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Remember, do not let it boil. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove it from the heat and stir in your chosen flavorings, like a vanilla bean or a vibrant fruit puree. Now for the crucial chilling and churning steps. It's vital to chill your gelato base completely in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This ensures optimal churning. Once thoroughly chilled, pour the mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's specific instructions, usually for about 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Finally, let's talk about freezing and serving your homemade gelato. Once churned, transfer the soft gelato into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up to the perfect scoopable consistency. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit out for a few minutes to soften slightly, then scoop and savor your delicious, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.